Happy Halloween, guys! For this month's photo breakdown, I'm going to take you behind the scenes of how Chloe and I created this tarot-inspired concept photo. Where are we going, Chloe?
We're going to the dollar store.
Fantasy and concept photography is something we've never tried before, and it's kind of nuts how much time and planning it takes to pull off these kinds of shoots. It begins with brainstorming an idea and visualizing the end result. We wanted a photo inspired by the Wheel of Fortune tarot card, which often shows a duality at play, in our case, light and dark. With a tiny budget, we hit a dollar store, craft store, and a Target for supplies. I used my limited experience with costuming and props to create our headpieces and costumes, and we did our makeup in a way that added contrast between our looks. I hid my eyebrows. It was weird. The major component of our costumes was a large amount of fabric. We used polyester and this netting meant for Halloween decor as the texture for Chloe's costume, and light muslin and chiffon for mine. I created Chloe's crown by twisting flower wire and painting it black, and then created mine with some craft store branches I painted white.
Also, it's hot. There's a lot of layers.
Then came time to shoot. This was, without a doubt, the hardest part. We set up in my backyard and rigged up the wireless on my DSLR to use Chloe's phone as a monitor, but posing something as elaborate as this without being able to see the camera was a huge headache. We were also on a time crunch and losing light fast, so we had to do the best with what we had and roll through the shoot, having no idea if anything cool would result. We shot the background, then a handful of poses with slight variations. We then shot a second set of better poses, but they turned out to be just a little bit out of focus. Bummer. I chose the best photo out of the in-focus shots and got to editing. Through a combination of compositing, retouching, and color grading, I finished off the photo. I added final touches in Photoshop, experimenting with some effects before finally landing on fog. And here's the end result. I hope you guys enjoyed this breakdown. Comment below what you were for Halloween, and we'll see you next week with another tutorial.
You need a hand? Oh, you got it, you got it, you got it.